Hello folks, welcome to the online video walkthrough of the 2019 Tracer Breeze 22 MDB. Really nice lightweight little trailer that offers you a Murphy bed in the front and some bunks in the back. So you can see here on the outside we've got a full fiberglass structure. Every wall is laminated, including the rear wall. You have a nice solid step entrance, and then we'll take a quick look here at the outdoor kitchen. So you've got a nice big grill and then a dump sink on there, as well as the fridge. And even a spot to open up some bottles there. And the door is held up by magnets with some bunks underneath there. Bunk windows, sorry. So you can see here, you come in the door and you meet this couch, which is the Murphy bed. So this is your Murphy bed when it is in the couch form. Now check this out. Ta-da! Check it out. This is your Murphy bed when it is down in the bed form. So the couch is right underneath that box. You've got storage on both sides of the bed, as well as plugs on both sides of the bed as well. So now let's check out the kitchen area. So you've got seamless countertops, a nice large sink, glass top stove, as well as some drawers there for storage, and some good cabinet space as well. Beautiful backsplash, really nice looking wood color. And then you've got your fridge and also a pantry just behind the fridge there as well. Take a look in the washroom. You can see you have a very, very large shower with the seat in it as well. So lots of room for everything going on in there. You can put your shampoo and everything in there, and then you've got your vanity, your sink, and lots of room around the toilet. Over here you've got your double over double bunks. Both bunks have a window on them, and then it's got a cutaway here underneath the bunk where you can either put a dog crate or some boots and shoes, whatever you want. Behind the dinette table here you've got your TV, which is mounted on the wall, and your entertainment center above, and it is on an arm so you can move it around. And then you've got a nice sized dinette with a nice big front window on this side of the trailer. And there are cabinets up above there for storage as well. So this is a great family unit. It's got double over double bunks. It's got a couch if you need it, a bed if you don't. And it's available now at Campkin's. We've only got one left, so come on out and check it out. This is the 2019 22 MDB, available now at Campkin's. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.